Hey everybody, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. I know it's Wednesday today. It is not the usual day that I'm putting videos out, but it's a special week. Shell Rotella, they have a contest going on, and a friend of mine, Jay Palachuk, has his truck in there. I've worked hard with him to put a video together, and that we've submitted to Shell Rotella, and I'd like to share that video with you here today. And while you're at it, why don't you go and vote yourself? I'll put the links below. There's a link for Canadian people and there's a link for American people. So I'll put the links down below in the description. So make sure you go and vote today for Jay. Let's push him to the top. We'd like to get him first place for the People's Choice Awards. So go watch this video and then go and vote. And we'll see you tomorrow for the next project truck.
Hi, I'm Jay Palachuk. Let's get this started. I bought my first Kenworth in 1983. I used Shell Rotella T when I started, and I still use it today. I entered the Shell show last year and had an awesome time. Met a lot of new people and some old friends. I was looking forward to this year's show. The only thing that will be missing this year will be getting together with old friends and new friends. My truck is a 1996 Kenworth W900. I purchased it in 1999 from the guy I worked for. It only had 1,500 miles on it. I run from Winnipeg to Florida in all seasons, winter, summer, spring, fall. Every trip it gets a thorough wash job and polish when I get home to my shop by me, no matter the forecast. I've been driving since 1979. There's been a lot of changes in trucking. The biggest change is the drivers. When I started, most drivers had pride and heart. I really miss that part of trucking. That's all I really have to say.